From street rhymes to global stages, Krayzie Bone isn't just a rapper, he's a living legend. But behind the Grammy wins and smooth flows lies a man of hustle, heartbreak, and a $6 million empire. So, how did this Cleveland native rise to become one of hip-hop's most respected icons? Krayzie Bone, a name that echoes through hip-hop history with a harmony unlike any other. As a founding member of Bone Thugs-n-Harmony, he's been at the forefront of melodic rap for over 2 decades. But beyond the music, Krayzie built an empire through entrepreneurship, personal reinvention, and timeless influence. Let's dive deep into the life, career, and net worth of the man behind the mic. Born as Anthony Henderson on June 17, 1973, in Cleveland, Ohio, Krayzie's early years were shaped by struggle, soul, and sound. Growing up in a city known for its gritty streets and rich music culture, he absorbed everything: gospel choirs, blues rhythms, and the rising wave of hip-hop. These early influences weren't just noise, they became the foundation for his unique style. He absorbed everything: gospel choirs, blues rhythms, and the rising wave of hip-hop. These early influences weren't just noise, they became the foundation for his unique style. But life wasn't easy. Krayzie navigated a world filled with challenges, channeling his pain and dreams into poetry. And that raw energy would soon fuel something bigger than he ever imagined. Krayzie's journey truly ignited when he joined forces with childhood friends to form Bone Thugs-n-Harmony. Their breakout album, E1999 Eternal, dropped in 1995, and it changed everything. With its fusion of fast-paced rhymes and melodic harmonies, the group redefined rap, earning critical acclaim and a Grammy Award. But Krayzie wasn't just riding the wave, he was leading it. In 1999, Krayzie dropped his solo debut Thug Mentality 1999, a double-disc project that showcased every side of him: the storyteller, the philosopher, the hustler. It wasn't just an album, it was an emotional experience. His solo path only strengthened his legacy, leading to epic collaborations with artists like Chamillionaire, Ice Cube, and even Mariah Carey. Each verse carried the weight of his journey, and fans felt every word. Krayzie Bone didn't stop at music. Off stage, he built a brand. From his signature vaping line to hosting his thought-provoking podcast Chasing the Devil, he turned his name into a business. He understood one thing: legends don't just rap, they evolve. These ventures added layers to his income, growing his net worth to an estimated $6 million by 2024. Despite the fame, Krayzie keeps his personal life low-key. He's a father, a husband, and a deeply spiritual man. His music often reflects these sides: complex, vulnerable, and unapologetically real. He's not chasing clout, he's chasing meaning. To call Krayzie Bone just a rapper is to miss the full picture. He's a cultural force, a pioneer of melodic rap, a businessman, a storyteller, and an icon. His $6 million fortune is just the surface. The real wealth lies in his legacy, his influence, and the millions of lives his music has touched. From the heart of Cleveland to global recognition, Krayzie Bone's story is one of resilience, evolution, and pure artistry. And his symphony, far from over. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more journeys into the lives of your favorite hip-hop legends. Until next time, stay real and stay legendary.